Let's head to Wayne's or something. See what's going on.
Me too, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
You wanna go?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Sweet, let's go.
Right here.
Alright folks, we're off to Wayne's Hot Rods and Customs in Waverly, Nova Scotia. Wayne's is not your average body shop by any means. They are a group of skilled craftsmen who are pretty much up to any challenge. I can't say enough good about them. Check them out. I'll drop their website link and a couple of their social media sites in the description below.
Well, I got some new panels made for the floor. So what I'm doing now is I'm marking all the layout of the frame rails. So when I make some beading in the new panels, it's not going to overlap onto the frame rails. So this is all frame rail. All right. So now when I make my beads, it'll be inside of these voids. So when you look up underneath the car, you'll see some patterns and then the frame rails around it. Snug first, and then so it snugs up, and then I'll go count my 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That way you have the same squish
It's
and
the same.
profile.
It should be exactly the same, all of them, and I'll continue that with all the 4 pans.
Who makes this bead roller, Wayne?
Mittlerbros.
Mittlerbros.
Yeah. Oh, I love this machine. It's awesome. Only one thing I would have done, if I had the chance, I would have put the 2 shafts that have the adjustable in and out. But they do sell the bottom one to match the top with the...
You mean you would have ordered it that way?
Yeah, I would have
Yeah.
ordered it with both of them instead of just the top.
Okay.
But that was me.
What makes this machine a better machine than others?
It's powered. You can adjust all the throttle on it, so you can make it faster or slower. You can hit reverse, and with all the adjustments and stuff, and it's pretty steady. You can put a good crush on it to get a good bead. And all their dies are just, they have hundreds of them. I only have a few, so I try to make do with what I got, right?
Right. I like the table option.
Yes, that is an option. I bought that extra. They have a couple other things, like if you're doing a bunch of straight lines, there is like a brace that goes across the table so you can run really straight lines. Right?
Okay.
Almost like a chop saw, you know, you got
Or a table saw,
you
yeah,
got
with a
the
guard.
guide, right? To guide it. It's the same thing. It fits underneath here and it just goes across so you can do straight lines. stretch a few spots where it shrunk from pushing it in. It shrinks a bit. So if you look at the panel, it's a little bit warped and stuff.